What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another music video reaction. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed a wonderful weekend. I'm recording extra stuff on the weekend only because I'm taking Monday off from doing any streaming or content. Um, my dog is sick and she's pooping all over the place, so I decided to record something on Saturday and release videos for you guys out on Sunday and Monday. So I got more requests to finish up on Discord before we go into our week of heavy metal starting on Monday. We got another, let me see, another Jams collection video, and this music video is called Kimiiro Hanabi. This comes from one of the newer members from our Discord server called Teehee. Shout out to Teehee. And yeah, we're gonna take a look at this music video reaction. Please hit the like, comment, and subscribe down below if you're fans of Jam's collection. Tell me what is your favorite song and music video, and I may or may not have reacted to them yet. All right, let's go. Very somber start. Okay. The more I see of them, the more it kind of makes up for the very first reaction of them. If you guys have not, I will put a link in the description to my very first time reacting to them. I thought I was being trolled by the YouTube community. In fact, I thought that music video was so steamy that I thought, yeah, I thought it was like not safe for work. But yeah, I think this is like the fourth video that I'm reacting to them, and I must say they totally are not the group that I thought they were. You know, because I got trolled one time, okay? And for those of you that have been around for almost 2 years since I started my channel, somebody recommended a Japanese idol group, but they weren't really an idol group. Apparently, they were a gravure dance troupe that always dressed in thongs or something. And I thought that, you know, I was talked into them being an idol, and then yeah, my video got flagged. Oh, I didn't monetize or anything, you know. I don't have any monetization unlocked on my channel for any of my music video reactions, but that one was kind of bad because not only did the video get pulled, the company that owned that music video like DM or emailed me and say, hey, we would appreciate it if you not use our, you know, our music video and stuff like that. And I was like, but why? I'm like trying to, and then I come to find out, one of my friends was like, it's not a real idol group. That's like you know, a video made for the cultured out there. And I was like, oh no. So yeah, that was the first instance of getting trolled by my community. In fact, it was so sussy that they were all dancing in bikinis throughout the whole music video. I was like, I don't know if this is safe to do a reaction on YouTube, but I did it anyway. I had nothing to lose. I only had 25 subscribers at that time. Sorry for the rant. What kind of hair ornament was that? show her again. Oh, wow. I was gonna say that kind of looked like a CG teardrop. You know what I noticed? They have less makeup on in this music video, and I think they're more pretty. Yeah, because they were super dolled up in the first 3 videos I reacted to them. And, like, I like this. This looks like they didn't go, like, full-blown overboard with the makeup. I like this. They look a lot more organic. And not... You know what I'm... I feel like the first 2 video, especially the first video, like they really went to accentuate the eye makeup style to give like that false ahegao look. And yeah, it made me feel kind of, I don't know, it was kind of weird for me because the whole concept of that music video felt weird. But I like this. This is very they look more natural. Oh, she's crying. There. What kind of hair ornament is that? Oh, they have a dry streak from dry tears in some of the shots. Heart behind the bag. That's cool. Maybe they're crying because they have dry eyes from all the wind blowing in their face. Yeah, I like the makeup in this video for them. It's a more natural look. I didn't realize this song was almost 5 minutes long. Wow. Good finish. That's a good shot. That's a really good cinematic shot right there with the camera. Jams collection. Oh. Kimiiro Hanabi. Oh my gosh. You know, the more I said this in the last video, the more I see from this group, it kind of got rid of that minor stigma I had of watching them again, you know? Um, but yeah, I think I'm starting to come around to Jam's collection, guys. I really am. Um, anyway, I really appreciate this um request. Teehee, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you have a wonderful and pleasant weekend as well as everybody else. Um, I'm still tinkering around with my camera. I don't know if you guys noticed that my camera stopped doing that weird blur, autofocus blur thing. I'm using my Sony ZV-1 camera on full manual for the very first time. I'm tinkering it around a little bit and I need better lighting. I only have like a small 8-inch ring light. Like here, look. There's the camera right here in the middle, and right behind it is that 8-inch ring light. Okay, I need a secondary light, and I'm looking into that. So, to get rid of the background film grain behind here, I'm trying to turn my bedroom into a mini studio, so everything looks all nice and cozy for you guys. So, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Metal Week. Hell yeah.